Hello everyone. In this session, we will start our new chapter, that is ethics and safety measures in computing. Computer plays a very vital role in our modern life. With the advancement of information technology, we should also ensure that the information is not misused or technology is not used for the disadvantage of the society and people at large. So, what is internet? When two or more computers are interconnected in a network, that is known as networking of computers. Network is a system of interconnected computer or terminals, and it is used for the purpose of transmitting computerized data from one location to another. And the data can be text, graphics, audios, videos, etc. Thus, internet is worldwide collection computers network. There are many advantages of internet, just like uploading and downloading. We can search, upload, download any information quickly and easily on internet. Online communication. Internet helps in communicating with people through email or chatting with friends and family all over the world economically. And the third one is research and development. Internet keeps us updated with latest trends of development. Medical research and treatment has improved a lot with help of internet. And the next is e-commerce. Internet is the fastest and it is the cheapest mode of advertisement for e-business and e-commerce. And we can also transfer of huge file. It's the transfer of file, and the services and the other services are banking, railways, airline, hotels, shopping, etc. can be done through the internet. And now the social network services are just like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, etc. And disadvantages of internet. There are many disadvantages of internet, such like accuracy. Although a lot of information is available on the internet, but the quality and accuracy cannot be trusted. And the next is no restriction. It means there is no check or restriction for the content available on the internet. And the piracy, all sorts of piracy prevail on internet. Software, music, videos are being distributed freely, which is detrimental to the industry. And the next one, and other disadvantages are spamming, phishing, hacking, and the cyber crimes and addition of social networking are other persistent problem of internet. And now, ethical issue. So, first of all, you should know what is the ethical issue. Computer ethics are the moral values or principles which one must follow while using the computer. It means these are the moral values or principles which one must follow while using computer. Just like do not copy, steal, delete and install or uninstall any software without permission. And while working on computer, maintain all the rules and regulations. Do not find errors or try to correct errors in other people's work. And do not upload, download on others' computer without permission. And do not open or read others' email. And protect your documents with strong password. And do not use illegal software which you have not paid. Do not download from unknown sites and scan your data after downloading to avoid virus attack. So these are the ethical issues. So computer ethics are the moral values or principle which one must follow while using computers. These are the 3 question answer you have to do in your computer notebook. The first one is write any 5 advantages of internet. You can write any 5. And this question number 2 is write disadvantages of internet. And the third one is what do you mean by computer ethics? Write any 5. So first you have to write what is the computer ethics. The computer ethics are the moral values or principle which one must follow while using computer. And after that you have to write any 5 ethical computing ethics. Thank you everyone. Good day.